Well, I think these peas have about had it, and that salad has about had it. So we're gonna do some fall planting. I soaked some basil, and now they look like tapioca or like fish eggs. um, we'll see. Woo! That's mostly done. That little plant looks like it may have been a new plant, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna pick the rest of the peas off of this and add them to their friends. This is my not so brilliant idea. I'm gonna plant peas in the back, and then a row of plasternacca, and a row of carrots, and then basil in the front. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. And then I might use these old pea plants as kind of like, hey, Weast present. We'll see. Me. We'll see. Well, that's planted. Purple beans, yellow beans, peas, plasternacca, which I think are turnips. I'll have to look that up. I forgot what they are. Parsnips or plasternacca. Parsnips, then carrots, then parsnips, and then all of the basil. So we'll see what happens. 8 o'clock at night in southern Sweden. Jens is the best, and he is getting the children to sleep, so I can clean out the salad box and replant it, and we can be functional human beings as well as parents. I love my kids, but toddlers are exhausting. Well, that's all the vegetable matter that's been pulled out of this bed and this bed. Those are the 2 potato plants that popped up in the middle of the salad box. I'm leaving the nasturtium and this one very sad cabbage, and that one very sad pepper plant. That one sad pepper plant that was hidden underneath here. And I'm going to harvest those potatoes and then replant this with a bunch of stuff. So, woo, fall gardening. So those 2 little stems made all these potatoes. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 little potatoes. Some of those are actually a good size. The rest of them are super tiny. These ones, even though they're really small, they tend to be super creamy and buttery and delicious. We just had some for dinner. We just boil them and then eat them, and they are the best. So yeah, so I'm gonna plant this out now, and I'm just gonna leave those stems in there. They might regrow the celery, might not. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna throw. I think I'm gonna do some shallot, because I've been trying to grow this and it has not been working. A couple kohlrabi and some winter Gina. So I think this is like not the cabbage, but they call it Chinese cabbage here. So you know, Sweden, it's good. This is new. Blueberry trees, blueberry bushes, the cauliflower that we're growing by the fence. It was too hot for them over there, and some Brussels sprouts that weren't doing so good where they were. It was too hot, so I moved them over here to a little bit more shady area and hopefully cooler. But yeah, I just relocated a pallet collar so that they don't get knocked over in the wind.